Let your soul stand cool and composed before a million universes. Do I contradict myself? Very well. Then I contradict myself. I am large. I contain multitudes. I am as bad as the worst. But thank God, I am as good as the best. Every moment of light and dark is a miracle. Now I see the secret of making the best person. It is to grow in the open air and to eat and sleep with the earth. In the confusion, we stay with each other, happy to be together, speaking without uttering a single word. I believe a leaf of grass is no less than the journey work of the stars. Every hour of every day is an unspeakably perfect miracle. Either define the moment or the moment will define you. Resist much, obey little. Be curious, not judgmental. I swear to you, there are divine things more beautiful than words can tell. I have learned that to be with those I like is enough. What is that you express in your eyes? It seems to me more than all the print I have read in my life. Keep your face always towards the sunshine, and shadows will fall behind you. Do anything, but let it produce joy. Henceforth, I ask not good fortune. I myself am good fortune. I no doubt deserved my enemies, but I don't believe I deserved my friends. Nothing endures but personal qualities. I discover myself on the verge of a usual mistake. The truth is simple. If it was complicated, everyone would understand it. Oh, while I live to be the ruler of life, not a slave, to meet life as a powerful conqueror, and nothing exterior to me will ever take command of me. Re-examine all that you have been told. Dismiss that which insults your soul. Whatever satisfies the soul is truth. Behold, I do not give lectures or a little charity. When I give myself.